Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the latest marvel from Samsung, the S24 Ultra. Sleek, powerful, and packed with features, this device is redefining smartphone innovation, and it's all happening right here, right now. So let's get started. The Samsung S24 Ultra boasts a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen, with a QHD Plus resolution that brings your visuals to life like never before. With a pixel density of 500 ppi and a peak brightness of an astonishing 2600 nits, every image is as crisp as a clear, sunny day. And for the smooth scrolling lovers, the 120Hz adaptive refresh rate ensures seamless motion, whether you're gaming or scrolling through your newsfeed. All protected by the toughest Gorilla Glass Victus 2, designed to resist scratches and drops. Turning to the back, the Samsung S24 Ultra features not one, but four powerhouse cameras. A 200MP main sensor ensures your photos are nothing short of breathtaking. Plus, with its range of telephoto and wide-angle lenses, every detail from landscapes to portraits is captured with unmatched clarity. And for the video enthusiasts among us, the 8K 30 frames per second and 4K 60 frames per second video capabilities mean professional-grade footage is just a tap away. Coupled with AI stabilization and scene optimizer, every shot is a masterpiece. Under the hood, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and 12GB RAM ensure that the Samsung S24 Ultra handles anything you throw at it, from high-octane gaming to intensive multitasking. And no need to worry about battery life, the 5000 mAh battery not only lasts longer, but also supports fast and wireless charging. So you're powered up and ready to go in no time. Security and accessibility are seamless, thanks to ultrasonic fingerprint sensors and sophisticated facial recognition. Plus, with cutting-edge Galaxy AI, the S24 Ultra adapts to your needs, making every interaction smarter. Available now in Tunisia at Navicom.tn, where technology meets innovation.